Here we have with us Anvit Singh Tawar, who secured an All India rank of 9 in JEE 2009. He also scored the highest marks in maths that year. Hi Anvit.
Hello.
Yeah, so mostly people feel that maths is a very tough subject, the toughest actually for JEE. So how did you tackle it and what would be your suggestions?
Looking at the paper of JEE, mathematics does appear a bit tough than physics and chemistry. However, that's the same for all the students, so that's not much to worry about. What you can do is put more stress on the topics which you feel easy, so that you don't lose anything on those, and deal with the other topics superficially, so that you can attend the easier questions from those and leave out those which are tougher.
Okay, so do you feel that there is a need to solve problems from other books than those prescribed by the teacher?
Well, I believe your teacher is pretty much experienced to provide you all the stuff that's required. So you can follow him with full faith, and there's no need to, like, say, look out for additional resources, and that should be all.
Okay, so any specific tips for the students regarding how to crack the paper?
Well, the paper strategy is pretty important. What you need to do is maintain a moderate pace. There's no need to rush, and don't slow out too much. And one thing you need to ensure is that you attempt all of the questions, as at least you have seen each question, and solve those which you feel that are easy, and keep moving with the paper. Do not put more time into anything, and you can do it pretty good.
So when towards the end, when JEE is approaching, what do you suggest students should do? Should they solve more of problems or should they revise the notes?
Well, solving problems is important. However, when it's the last of the time, you would already have solved so many questions in your 2 years of preparation. So it's more, I would suggest it's more important to look on the notes and revise your basic concepts. And while doing so, you can prepare an overview in your mind as to what all type of questions can appear from that particular topic, and then maybe solve some of those problems.
Okay. So can you suggest some topics for our viewers which are easy and a substantial weightage?
Well, in mathematics, I would say coordinate geometry is one such topic where you find a good number of questions in the paper, and they're not as tough as like the other ones. So you can stress on coordinate, and other than that, I would suggest your general algebra and manipulations should be good. If that's okay with you, you can do all the other topics well.
Okay. So how do you feel that EduSil can help students?
EduSil has some unique features such as the videos and the mentoring, which can be really helpful to students. Students don't generally find good mentors anywhere, and it's really required, since you can be more frank with your problems and you get a proper guidance. So that's good, and as far as the notes provided by EduSil are prepared by the toppers themselves, so you would find very good material with EduSil.
Yeah. So what do you feel is the significance of mentoring for a student who has to crack the JEE?
Mentoring can be pretty useful for the students, as while preparing for JEE, students try to do a lot of experimentation with their strategies and techniques, and at certain times they waste a certain amount of time with that. However, when you get proper guidance and mentoring, you can cut down on this time and put it on other areas where it would be more fruitful.
Okay. So is there any experience that you would like to share with our viewers?
Well, as such, while doing your preparation, I would say just like as I did, you need to constantly analyze your performance and look out for ways to improve that. If you do this regularly and let's say in your tests and all, this should be very helpful, and you'll come up with a good performance in JEE. All the best.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Anvit. I hope your views will help the people who have to crack JEE. Thanks a lot.